Hi, and welcome to this Resonite tutorial where we're actually going to be learning about two main nodes, bright and bright latch. We are also going to be talking about two tiny nodes that they are almost non-used, but they are also on the same folder on protoflux. So we're going to also talk about them. This is increment and decrement. They are actually two simple nodes. The main base of them is just basically to write a value on a variable. Just by calling, you just place the source down here, and then based on the value you actually place over here, it can be anything, a number, a boolean, or whatever the value you want to say, depending of where you're actually writing, it just changes the value to that one. However, with latch, you can also set a reset parameter. Let's just say you have something that changes, for example, something to make it like bigger or something like that, and it keeps making bigger. You have something that actually makes it, I don't know, change the size multiple times, and then you have another value over here on the reset node input over here, where you can just reset it to the size it was. I'm gonna show you some examples right away. So, for example, we have over here uh, one made with bright only, another one made with bright latch as well, and then two things to which is decrement and increment. Now you might be wondering, what does these things do? I have made over here, down here, a thing just to, that we have a flower over there. We have the source over here linked to all of these things. As you can see, all the arrows are actually linked to them. So, for example, we can actually make the flower change size. For example, if we actually do this one on the bright latch, call it, and we actually make the flower bigger. Then, if we want to reset size, we can actually do this right away, and the flower just comes back down to normal size. Then we also have decrement and increment over here. They have the same source on the flower down here. And what we're gonna do is every time we click it, the flower just gets bigger and bigger. Same goes for decrement. And the value is only one each time you actually call on it. Or you can actually do something like call the flower go bigger and then just go press bright over here or call into bright. And then the flower just comes back down to normal. So that's what bright and bright latch are supposed to do. They're actually a quite simple node that allows you to do a big amount of things. For example, you can not only just scale things, you can also position them, change the placing of the object in another part of the world. You can also change the plane shapes of avatars too. You can actually configure them. You can also, for example, on this wall, we can actually just turn down the lights, like big on lights right now. And we just like, oh, wait, no, I cannot see anymore. Oh no, this was a mistake.